We all need something to be proud of and excited about from time to time. Decorating and designing your space can bring you just that. Expressing yourself can be so rewarding. It is so fun getting to see who you are as a person come out in a space. Our rooms should tell the story of who we are. Decorating is like expressing the chapters of your life through items. Decorating helps you be creative. It can give you a creative outlet, a hobby, something to do and practice when you have free time. Expressing yourself through your home is no different than expressing yourself through art. Think of your home as your canvas and you are the artist. While you are decorating, there are several wood furniture and wood decorative pieces you can use. These items could be made in home workshops or purchased from manufacturers. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the best reasons to decorate your home, especially if you are renting, is to bring a little bit of you into the space. Our environments reflect our internal worlds, and who wants a bland white-walled internal world? A little bit of art goes a long way in making a place feel like home. After all, a house with empty walls is just a house full of art is a home. Another benefit of home decorating is that it allows you to create a space that supports your lifestyle. Whether you like to entertain a lot, read books, practice yoga, or cook, decorating gives you the tools you need to create spaces around your lifestyle choices. That is the magic of decorating. You literally have the power to make your space how you want. Your space is your space, and decorating gives you the ability to design spaces around your lifestyle and what works the best for you and your family. You have the power to arrange your decor so that you aren't having to move around a bunch of different stuff just to dust. Using decorative storage in your space is another way how decorating can make it easier to tidy up. Having baskets, boxes and bins that are stylish makes it easy to give everything a home and essentially make it easier to put stuff up. When all of your personal items have a home, tidying up becomes a million times easier. Decorating makes you enjoy being home. You will feel much more at peace in your properly decorated. When you have decorated your space for you, it can bring you so much peace and calm. Which is what we all really want for our spaces. When our spaces reflect our personalities, are easy to clean and tidy up, and are functional for our lifestyle, we may never want to leave. When we look at the benefits of using wood as your furniture and decorating piece, sustainability is one feature which makes stand out among other objects. Some woods have become threatened by over-harvesting, and mahogany is a case in point here. Be sure to buy furniture that is made of sustainable wood. This is where trees are planted to replace those that have been cut down. Whereas with other materials you don't usually have an option, with wood you can choose an ecologically sound method of furnishing your home or office. Wood could also be great for the outdoors. Summer means spending time outdoors, and nothing is quite like spending lazy days in your own garden. Garden furniture has rocketed in popularity over the last few decades, and comes in all materials. Plastic, metal and rattan are all favorites, but nothing can beat wood for beauty and strength. You may have thought that garden furniture made of wood would not be suitable, but that is not the case. If the wood is treated, it will be fine. A beautifully decorated home is proven to have a positive effect on our moods. It is important for us to surround ourselves with things that we think are beautiful as well as things that represent some part of us. This way, home is a place that we look forward to being, not just because it is our space but because it is our beautiful space. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.